What's up, YouTube? It's Danny back with another video, and yet another watch unboxing. How you guys doing? Let's get into this. I already forget the model number. Anyway, this one was once again on clearance at Walmart for $20, and I had to pick it up. Look at that. It's a Tide Graph, a moon phase. Very nice. Really rugged looking watch. Not quite a G-Shock, but pretty cool. It's also a fishing timer as well. So, not that I'm going to use the fishing timer. I will be using the moon phase, though. I think that's very fascinating, and I do need to set the time. But before I do that, let's get it out of the box. Actually, I think, yeah, here we go. It is the WS1700H. So, very cool. Didn't really know this was a model. Just happened to see it at the clearance rack at Walmart, like I've been seeing all week. So, without further ado, let's get it out of the package. There we go. Go ahead and pull that out just like that. A very thick manual, probably with several languages in it. So, pretty cool. Probably won't need that. Hopefully, I won't need that. And then we will unbuckle it from the plastic stand. Very rigid band, which is good. Feels pretty solid. Go ahead and just pull that out like so. Alright, set that off to the side. And now, yeah, that's a very nice band. This just kind of comes undone like that. Very cool. Alright. Get a closer look at the watch. Very nice. And see if I can show you the backlight. There you go. It glows orange for about 3 seconds and then turns off. Maybe not even 3 seconds. I think it's just 1 second. I can likely change the seconds, but let's go ahead and set the time. I'm gonna hit the adjust. Okay, nothing happened. Let me press and hold the adjust. There we go. So we're going to, okay, UTC. So I think I'm -6. I'm pretty sure. If I can make it. Huh. INT, that's probably international. How do I change this? Oh, here we go. Just wasn't pressing hard enough. I'm fairly certain I'm -6. Okay. Alright, that puts it at 6:31 a.m. That can't be right. What time is it? It's definitely not that early in the morning. It is 4:02 a.m. Here I am doing videos at 4 in the morning. Okay, so let's go into mode. Okay, adjust. DST is, hold on. Is it daylight savings time?
This year daylight saving time starts on Sunday, the 8th of March, 2026,
okay,
and will end on Sunday.
Alright, cool. I don't need to know the rest of that. So, it is off, so we'll leave it off. Okay, I need to change the date. LT. I might have to look up how to do this. Or maybe actually use the manual for once. Okay, so I think I can change the... Okay, here we go. So it is AM, so I'm going to change it to 4. Okay, but now I need to change the minutes. That's seconds. Okay, seconds. There we go. And I said it's what? 4:04. Alright. It doesn't show up on camera, but this is a really crisp screen. It looks faded on camera for some reason, but it's not at all. Still 4:04. Okay. Alright. 2005? No. Definitely not 2005. Six. And it is January 10th. Daylight savings time is off. Okay. What UTC am I in currently?
To determine your current UTC time zone, first, open the clock app on your iPhone. Second, tap World Clock. And third, your current location will be displayed at the top of the list.
Okay. Okay, so UTC -6 in the winter, or -6 in the winter, and UTC 5 in the summer. So I'm right. So I am a UTC -6. I thought I was. So let me double check that that's what it's set to. Alright, what's DT mean? So this is a different time. But where is that? So if I wanted... What time is it in Japan currently?
It's 7:07 p.m. in Tokyo, Japan.
Okay, so I could set this to 7. Okay. And then now it's 08. So, okay, so now there's my time. There's Japan's time. That's pretty cool. That's pretty. I know you probably didn't see a lot of that, but yeah. So my time. Again, it's hard to see on camera. My time is in the top right. Japan's time is right there. And I hit this button. Oh, and there's the moon phase doing its thing. I hit this button, right? And now it's my time and the date, which is cool. So, yeah. I don't know what this time is now. 6. So can I have more than one world time? That's a stopwatch or something like that. There's an alarm. Japan. My time. And a third time. Huh. Okay. So what's search do? So that changes that. Well, what am I searching for? Oh, it changes the tide from high to low when I do that. That's cool. Because again, this is a tide graph, which, you know, I live in Kansas, so we'll probably never use that because we don't have oceans here. But I didn't buy it for the tide graph, it's just part of it. I bought it for the dual time zone thing and because it's a really cool watch. Okay, now that I've got it set, I'm going to go ahead and put it on. And we'll go ahead and wrap up the video. I may trim this video down just because there was a lot of figuring out. As somebody who takes pride in not using manuals, probably should have used the manual. That's okay. Not a big deal. There it is. Very nice. So, glad to have that part of the collection. Yeah, if I find out anything else, I'll add it to this video. But I think we're good. So, thank you all so much for watching. I will link this below on Amazon. If you are interested in buying this for yourself, it's a nice looking watch for sure. So, and love the band. Very nice, very rigid. And yeah, great looking watch. Thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned. See you all in the next video. Take care.